Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in the last video I showed you how to make the Halloween cupcakes for Halloween. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the raisin cookies. Now I'm going to be showing you what to do in this video. First thing in the recipe is to beat in 220 grams of butter, 200 grams of light brown sugar and 100 grams of caster sugar. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is the almond one extract. Beat them all together until it is smooth. Once you have beaten together until it is smooth, add in 2 eggs until it is blended. To blend them together. Next, after it is blended, add in a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. Also add in a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A pinch of salt, which is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and last of all, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, which is plain flour. Once it's all been mixed well, just sift it in. Mix it all in well. For the final 2 ingredients, stir in 250 grams of rolled oats, and final one, 150 grams of raisins. And then mix them until it's all combined like a cookie mixture. Once the mixture has all been combined, then place large heaped teaspoons of the cookie mixture onto the tray. These are the raisin cookies that have been placed heaped tablespoons on a tray, and along with the baking paper. Next is to bake these raisin cookies for 10 to 15 minutes until it is golden and crispy to touch and to taste as well. So stop the video now and get these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes to turn out what these like after it's been baked. These are the raisin cookies that have been baked in the oven and cool on the trays after 15 minutes when it was done. I showed you how to make these kind of raisin cookies. Now if you find this helpful, don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe if you find this video of recipe tutorials interesting. Now see you in the next video and in the next recipe tutorial. Bye.